Do you know? Every year, 60 crore Rakhis are dumped in waste that never decomposes, generating 1.18 billion tons of carbon footprints. Around 60 crore people celebrate Raksha Bandhan across the world each year. But no one has ever considered where the Rakhi ends up after the huge celebration. Every year, over 60 crore Rakhis are sold in India, amounting to rupees 6,000 crore, of which China's exports alone are valued at 4,000 crore. China-made Rakhis and the products essential for making Rakhis such as foam, pearls, drops, thread, decorative thali, etc. have captured a significant share in the Indian market. So what is the solution? How about a Rakhi that contains no plastic but seeds? These Rakhis contain seeds, so once the festivities are over, all you have to do is plant them, water them, and they will blossom into a new life. Imagine 60 crore seed Rakhis coming to life each year and developing into plants and trees, making the world a greener, better and clean place. Let's support the cause by transforming Raksha Bandhan to Vruksha Bandhan.